What's up, dude?
What is up, guys? It is Thursday. I just got a pre-op COVID test done for my surgery. They need me to take a COVID test before I go under the knife, I guess. So that's done. I'm on my way to get my hair cut. Figured I get all cleaned up beforehand since I'm not going to be able to do much after. But I went into Matt Cortez Cycles. I am putting the bike in April 9th for the cam, the service. I'm supposed to be putting a new pipe on possibly today. I'm meeting a guy. It's funny because I posted it online to sell it, and then this guy actually wanted to buy it, so he's like, yeah, let me come and look at it. And I was like, all right. He's like, he was asking about the pipe, and I was telling him a little bit, and he's like, you know what, I have a Bassani now. It's a Road Rage 3. It's actually the pipe that I wanted, and he wants this one because it's a 50th anniversary edition pipe. And so he wants to actually trade because he has a pipe that I want. I have the pipe he wants. His is like brand new, not even 1,000 miles on it. So I've been spending the last 2 days cleaning this thing up and making it all shiny. So the thing looks brand new. So yeah, I'm gonna see what happens with that. I'm supposed to meet him today. I'm hoping he's wanting to just switch the pipes out. It shouldn't take too long. So obviously when I do that, I'm gonna do sort of a how-to video, and figured it'd be cool to start doing some how-to videos because my buddy Sean called me last night and was like, you know what, since you have your surgery, dude, you might as well keep the channel going and do some how-to videos, because I know we got a couple things we got to work on the cruise bikes. So mine would be obviously the exhaust, and I got to put bags on, so I'll do 2 videos for that. And then I know we got to do some bar installs and just some other things on everyone's bikes that we ride with. So we're going to do videos on that, along with a vlog on the new 2022 models at Orange County Harley. So I'm excited to do that. I'm not exactly sure when that's going to happen. It could be Saturday morning. It just depends on the timing and all that. But that, I mean, you guys have to look forward to, so that'd be good. But yeah, I'm excited to get the bike in the shop, man. Put this cam in. I decided to go with the SNS 475 cam. I'm gonna have to get the tune from Fuel Moto again. So it'd be a dyno tune, which should increase the bike quite a bit in horsepower and torque. I would have to see the dyno chart in order to give you guys the actual number, but I'm excited to see what that is and feel the bike. Unfortunately, the bike's going in after my surgery, so I'm not even going to be able to be the first one to ride it. My buddy Jared is actually going to drop the bike off, and then he's going to pick it up when it's done, because I'm probably not going to be able to ride it for about a month, maybe 2. So he's actually going to be the first one to ride my bike with a cam in it, which I'm like, all right, it is what it is, I guess. He can tell me how it is. And then tomorrow I am doing I believe a Malibu ride, so I'm excited for that. We have actually never been up that way on the bikes before, so maybe go to Neptune's Net. It's a little ways. We'll see what time it is by the time we get out there and all that. And another thing is I'm wearing this Espinosa's leather, or not Espinosa's, what the fuck, I wish, man, those things are pricey. I said Espinosa's because I was looking into them this morning. This is First Manufacturing Co. Man, their vest is nice. It's a little stiff still because I'm still breaking it in, but it blocks the wind, man. I'm not cold. I'm just wearing a hoodie under this and my gloves, but it's actually a really nice vest. It's thick, it's real leather, it's got a ton of pockets inside. I'm super happy with it. So I told you guys I'd do a review, so I might as well just go ahead and give you guys some feedback on the vest. If you don't have one or you need a vest, I highly recommend it. And if you're not trying to break the bank on an Espinosa's leather, like I said, I was looking into them this morning, and they are not cheap. I think like $700-800, some of them are $900. Don't get me wrong, I'm sure they're great, but if you don't want to spend that much money on a leather vest, I recommend this company. They're still a little pricey, but they have sales all the time. You can even custom order them, like have them custom make it for you. This one, the one I'm wearing, was actually one that I had on, it was on their website when they had a site-wide website sale, and it was like 20% off of everything, and then I think I got an additional 10 for subscribing to their email or something. But anyways, the vest was 200 and something, maybe $250, but then with everything I got off, it was like less than 150. So I was happy with that, and they shipped it like that day, so I got it in a couple days. So vest is great. It keeps me warm. It's thick. It fits me. I would say order a size down than what you usually are, because you sort of want it snug. I typically wear XLs, but I ordered a large in this, and I could have probably even gone for a medium because they run a little big. But you know what? It works. So yeah, happy with First Manufacturing Company's leather vest. This is the Hunt vest. It's got the brown sort of duck canvas on the bottom, and then it's got the black diamond stitching on the top. I'll throw a picture in the video so you guys can see it. But yeah, and shout out to them, because I posted on Instagram yesterday a picture of the vest, and man, they reposted my thing. They replied to my story, so that was super cool. I'm gonna keep sort of giving them content. Maybe, hopefully, fingers crossed, I can get you guys maybe a discount code or something in the future. I really like their products, and they make more than just vests. Seems like they make pants, belts. They make a bunch of different stuff. So check them out on their website or Instagram page. Great products. Seems like they have great customer service. So I'm on my way to get my hair cut. My wife's actually gonna cut my hair. She's a hairstylist in Fashion Island. So good thing is I don't have to pay for haircuts. Man, I'm excited to get this cam. I don't know if you guys can see, that's the pipe. It's all shined up down there. It looks real good. It took me like 2 days of just sitting there and scrubbing it, and I used the Adams metal polish. If you guys haven't heard of Adams, they are awesome, man. Every product they have I put on my bike. I use their waterless wash on my bike to just clean it. I don't like putting water on the bike just because I don't want to get in water in areas I can't get to. And then I use an H2O garden gloss. That sort of just protects it. It's got like a ceramic coating in it, and it shines up the bike really good. So I usually do that after I use the waterless wash, and then I put Adams, I think it's Slick and Slide, on the bike, just in between washes, and it protects the paint, and it makes the paint super just like right here, it makes it all slippery. That way, like if you get dust or anything on the bike and then you decide to take the bike out, all the wind just blows everything off. Nothing really sticks to the paint, which is nice, because that dust that sticks to the paint, as soon as you wash it, if you don't get that dust off, that's what scratches your bike, your paint up. And this is vivid black paint on this bike, so you can see everything. But yeah, Adams Polishes, guys, they have a couple locations, I believe, but they're in Anaheim. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're Anaheim. It's off of the 91 freeway, sort of by the 57. But great products. They're super knowledgeable, so if you guys are looking for new detailing products or anything like that, go go and give them a try, man. I promise you won't be disappointed. I was sort of hesitant when I got the bike. I was trying to figure out which ones worked best. I did a bunch of research. I heard Chemical Guys was good. Unfortunately, they're just, I mean, they sell them at AutoZone and all that, but every time I went in, they were out of stock. And then for a while, I was using the Harley's products, and sorry Harley, but they're not great. So my sales guy that I actually bought the bike from told me, hey dude, try Adam's polishes. He gave me a few sample products, and then I loved them, so I went back in and bought a bunch of stuff. They even have like paint correction and just stuff called like Brilliant Glaze, and it's got like a wax in it, and it sort of corrects your paint, adds depth and all that. But and they're not actually that expensive. So, and they have like microfiber tiles that they recommend with their products. I highly recommend Adams. I'll shut up about it now. All right, guys, I am going to be pulling up here pretty soon. Look forward. I'm going to be probably doing that exhaust install pretty soon. I'm hoping today, but it might be like next week or something. I'll start doing some more how-to videos and all that. And then obviously an Orange County Harley vlog, all the new 2022 models. I know Cook's Corner actually had I think it was a press release yesterday. My buddy drove up there and just for a ride, and he said he pulled up to Cook's and there was like maybe 30 brand new 2022 lowrider STs just parked outside. So I'm like, if you guys are waiting on your STs, they're at Cook's Corner. They probably just got off a boat somewhere, and they are sitting at Cook's Corner. And I heard end of March, beginning of April is when they're going to be start getting them in, because I know a couple people that are waiting on them. This guy is mobbing. All right, guys, I'm going to park this thing and grab a coffee and get my hair cut, but I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for tuning in. Peace. Later, dude.